When winter kicks in, nothing feels better than a bowl of soulful, desi comfort food. Today we're cooking up 3 ultimate winter comfort food: Saag Chicken, Lasooni Palak Khichdi and Rajma Palak Paneer. Let's get started. We'll first start with Saag Chicken. For this, start by blanching fresh spinach leaves and blend them into a smooth, vibrant green puree. In a hot pan, add a little oil followed by coriander powder and red chili powder. Now add onion paste, saute it for a bit and then put ginger garlic paste. Now cook it till the oil begins to separate from the masala. Next, add in your boneless chicken, give it a good mix, seasoned with salt, and pour in tomato puree. Now let it simmer, and when the chicken is perfectly cooked, sprinkle in some garam masala. Finish by stirring in the spinach puree, bring it to a gentle boil, top it with a small dollop of butter, and your rich, creamy saag chicken is ready to serve hot. Now let's move to Lasooni Palak Khichdi. For this, start by washing rice and yellow moong dal thoroughly and soak them for at least 30 minutes. Now strain, transfer to a pressure cooker, add salt, turmeric, enough water and cook for 2 whistles. Now let the pressure release naturally. Meanwhile, blanch your spinach just 15 to 30 seconds, then immediately dip into ice cold water to lock that beautiful green color. Now blend the blanched spinach with mint, coriander, green chilies and garlic into a smooth puree. Now heat ghee in a pan, add zeera, let it crackle, then add hing, ginger, garlic and broken red chilies. Saute for a minute, then add onions and cook until translucent. Next, add tomatoes, salt and spices. Cook until the tomatoes turn mushy and everything comes together. Pour in your spinach puree and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add the cooked dal rice mixture, mix well and let it simmer. For the second tadka, heat ghee, add garlic, cook till golden, then add whole red chilies and a pinch of red chili powder. Pour this sizzling tadka over the khichdi and serve your comforting Lasooni Palak Khichdi with chilled raita. Now the last one, Rajma Palak Paneer. Start by soaking rajma overnight and boiling them till soft with a little salt. Now blanch spinach, dip in ice water, then blend it with coriander, mint, green chilies and ginger to make a bright green puree. Now keep it aside, cut paneer into squares and gently saute till golden. Now finally chop ginger, garlic, green chilies and onion. Chop 1 tomato and puree the other. Now add turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Once the spices are fragrant, add the boiled rajma followed by the spinach puree and the sauteed paneer. Season with salt, mix well and cook on low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Now finish with a swirl of fresh cream, chopped coriander, thin ginger juliennes and a spoon of ghee-tempered red chili rogan. Now serve your Rajma Palak Paneer with hot lacha paratha, roti or naan. Winter comfort food doesn't get better than this. Try these recipes and let us know how it turned out in the comment section. And for more such easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Times Foodie.